what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be showing you all how you can cop the Air Jordan 5 Raging Bull or the Air Jordan 5 Toro Bravos, whatever you want to call them. This is another Air Jordan 5 retro that we have. We've been having a lot of Air Jordan 5s drop lately, so today we got another pair, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get them for retail off the Snkrs app and other places where they'll be dropping. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Again, you want more content like this, we just recorded the early morning video. Your boy just kind of stayed in yesterday. He needed to get some rest, so he got some rest. I don't know why I'm sharing that with y'all, but I guess we'll share that. So if you guys again want more videos like this, subscribe and like down below. I'd appreciate it. Again, goal in this video, I'm just gonna make let's go for like 210 likes. I'd appreciate it if you could hit that. If not, it's not really the end of the world, but it just kind of lets me know that this is the kind of content you guys want more often on the channel, and it'd go a long way. So that's really everything I have to say right there, other than check my Discord chat down below if you want to. If you aren't already a part of that, you should maybe go check that out, but let's get into it now. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm here with the screen recording, classic saying, always be saying that. So you want to check the IGs down below, feel free to give me the follow if y'all want. Those are down in the description. This and my reselling account, but not really the important part of this video. This is the important part of the video, discussing this release right here. So a fairly popular release and a pretty good looking pair of Jordan 5s actually. Now, while I'm not a fan of Jordan 5s, I do have to say this is like a really well put together shoe. It's a retro. I'm pretty sure it's known. You can see like discussing all the stuff about it. This colorway originally dropped pretty much exact same in 2009, and yeah, we got another kind of tuned up version of it. Reflective tongue as always on the 5s. Shout out to someone who pointed that out in my last video. I was like chirping about the stealths. I was like, the pictures look way different, and I was forgetting that all the 5s always have reflective tongues, every single pair of Jordan 5s, so I kind of forgot that fact, and thank you to whoever pointed that out. But that's not really the most important stuff. We'll discuss the details in a second. Again, this one is dropping, don't forget, mark your calendars, April 10th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So the 10th of this month at 10 a.m. Eastern time. That's pretty easy to remember, and this one again is not like any ordinary pair of Jordan 5s. If you're looking to get this one to resell, it's A, reselling really well, like over $100 profit easily on any pair, and then B, another fact on this one, if you're just trying to get it for the personal collection, it's a good looking pair of shoes. Like, we just have to admire it. So again, don't forget the date, don't forget the retail, $190 also. That's not really anything that I'd really be stressing out about paying, because it's total profit, if you end up getting this for retail. So yeah, again, I'd say best for this one, probably bigger sizes, but we'll kind of get into resale in a second. We're not going to discuss that too early. I want to point out a couple more details about the shoe. I really got to admire the suede on this one also. It's looking extremely clean. Hopefully, the quality control is fine on these shoes. Hopefully Jordan doesn't lack on the quality control like they have been for a lot of releases lately. But another fact about the shoe, it's also dropping in grade school sizes, preschool sizes, and also the toddler sizes. So don't forget about that. This is total profit also. You definitely want to be going for these grade school sizes also, so make sure, guys, don't forget you can enter in grade school and adult sizes on the same drop page. So if I wanted to get an adult size, I could come enter an adult size, and I could also come enter for a kid size right here, and these ones are very profitable also. But if you're just trying to get your kid fresh or whatever, you want your kid to have a pair of kicks, and all you really got to do is just scroll down, and you'll be able to cop the big kid sizes right there. $140 retail, but I saw the sizes selling around like $270 right now. So that's serious profit for grade school sizes. But yeah, kind of aside from that, I do want to kind of go over again how this shoe looks and kind of the details of it. So really got to admire also the kind of this blue icy sole, the blue icy sole with kind of the red on the kind of on top of the shoe, around the whole shoe. I just gotta say, I really like that concept there. I'm glad that they did that. But yeah, just kind of a couple things I want to point out. Typical 5 structure. You got the normal Jordan thing running right through here, kind of like splitting the sole, the jump man, all that. Nothing really out of the ordinary. And I really mess with this like embroidered 23 right here. I think that's super clean. I don't know why. It's just like that small detail to me makes the shoe all the better. I think it's super clean. So yeah, aside from that, let's kind of get into reselling this one right now, since I know y'all interested in that. So kind of looking at the sizes and how they're doing right now, you go look at all the sizes, pretty much everything's selling around $370 to $400 right now. More like maybe $375, $400. But again, that's a lot of profit for a pair of Jordan 5s, and these are very hyped. There's a lot of people wanting these ones, and these sales aren't capped too. You go look, there's a lot of sales for this shoe right now. StockX always having me sign in like every time I'm getting back on the page. I don't know why they make me do that, but yeah, kind of looking at it, the prices are going to continue to drop for this one, and I wouldn't really consider this one an investment, although the other pairs, the original version of the shoe, is selling for a ton of money. I just think this one, honestly, it's probably, you get it, you flip it. I don't really know about how much of a hold this one is. I will watch it, and if it ends up being a good hold, then I will kind of look into it more. But I think right now I would take the, you know, selling this for $400. I would take that, you know what I mean? I would just, if I had got it, I would take that right now, because, you know, if it is an investment, I'm just not even sure how much it will go up. And you know, it isn't really a hyped model. Fives aren't normally hyped, but the colorway is hyped, so that makes it kind of confusing to determine. But I think once all the pairs drop on Snkrs and all that, I think my personal resale estimation for adult sizes, I'm thinking I'm going to put it at right around, I'm thinking 320 to 350, and I will put a plus on the 350 because it could maybe not drop as much as we are thinking, but I don't think they're going to go below 300. I think we'll get close to it, maybe around, again, 320 as I said, but I'm thinking they may stay closer to 350 in certain sizes too, like some of these bigger sizes, like a size 11 and basically a size 11 plus, any of those big sizes are going to be doing really good for this one. So that's just what I would go for personally. Any size bigger than an 11 is good. That's just my personal, you know, advice right there. So aside from that, also discuss the grade school sizes really quick. So don't forget, these ones also dropping, retailing at $140. You go look what they're selling for right now, $270 to $290. So these are going for double their retail price. So that should let you know how hyped this release is. These are going for double their retail price in grade school sizes. So everybody's coming out the blue for this release. I wasn't even really expecting this fully, but yeah, these are reselling heavily. So don't sleep on the grade school because it's pretty much, let me think, it's just as much profit right now, pretty much the same. Well, adult sizes are going for more right now, but once everything releases, I mean, these are going to be, you know, not far behind the adult sizes and profit margins. So that's really all I got to say right there. My personal, again, estimation, I think once all pairs drop, I'm thinking I'm going to be putting these right around, I'm thinking 240, 260, and I'm putting a plus on the 260 because, again, they could not drop as much as we were expecting. I think this release does have a lot of hype backing it. However, I do think it is a little bit overpriced right now for, you know, what it is, like probably should be going for, but, you know, again, I'm not the one determining what prices are. You know, we'll kind of see what resellers keep this one at, and you know, I honestly just think, you know, get it, sell it. That's my personal thoughts. So aside from that, and kind of let's get into discussing how to cop this one directly off Snkrs and, you know, kind of that app. I also want to link this video down below. This is the video I always mention, and it kind of discusses how you guys can cop off the Snkrs app, what you got to do to make multiple accounts, and also have this notepad right here that pretty much is what I discuss in the video, what I run through, all the important details you have to know to make multiple Snkrs accounts successfully. And if you want to check this video out down below to kind of learn how to cop off Snkrs more often, make multiple accounts so you can have more chances, so you can enter in more drops. Again, if you have 4 accounts, then you can enter 8 times for this drop, because that's 1 entry for a grade school size and an adult size for every account that you have. So if you make 4 accounts, 4 times 2, that's 8 chances to get this drop, and that's a lot more than just your normal 2 chances if you had 1 account. So I kind of explain what you got to do to make those multiple accounts right there, and it's all in the video right there. And you guys have been saying you want more Snkrs, kind of like how to cop, tips and tricks videos, and I'll keep, you know, doing my research and you know, kind of looking into Snkrs more so I can find out what, you know, really helps you guys cop more often on there. So I'll link that video down below, and yeah, notepad just kind of explains what you got to do to like alter your address, stuff like that, you know, just kind of a couple other tips for speed and stuff, you know, what you got to do to cop faster. But yeah, you can screenshot this if you want, just kind of explaining the steps to, you know, changing up your address, or, you know, just some things you can help you cop faster. So aside from that, I also want to give a huge shout out to my guys at Secret Sauce right here, because as you all know, these shoes are 100% dropping on foot sites. So my guys Secret Sauce right here are definitely going to be running some tickets for these Jordan 5 Toro Bravos or the Raging Bulls. So if you need some guys, and they are a $60 monthly fee, but this group chat right here pretty much is a Discord group chat, and they really explain and they can show you how to get more in-depth releases with their slot system. They got insider info, monitors that can really help you add to cart and stuff. They can show you where to, you know, local raffles, kind of, and aside from the raffle places I mentioned in my video, they can show you other places where there's raffles going on. I mean, there's plenty of ways to even make money in the chat. It's not even just about shoes. It's crazy. I mean, you really got to like be in the video to see it, or not be in the video to see it, but be in the chat to see it. It's crazy how you can make money in there. But explaining the slot system, this is the main thing on where they could actually cop releases for you. So once you're in the chat, they have this section called tickets, and in that ticket section, once you enter it, it kind of like takes you to this site, and on the site they have free and paid slots. And if you're a member, again, every member can enter in the free slots. You just got to enter them before they fill up. And yeah, you can just enter in a free slot right there. It's a Google form, and in that Google form you put in your payment and shipping info, and then they just take the people that, you know, run the slots, the bot providers, they take your info and they put it into their bots and cop releases for you, and they don't take any extra fees, no extra charges. It's 100% safe. I've done this like plenty of times, and you know, they've caught me plenty of things. As you saw, they recently caught me those you know, foam runners. I've been showing those in the video. You see I got my little stack of shoes forming, kind of crawling out the box right there. They've been helping me, you know, get those releases and all that. So we've been copping a lot of stuff with Secret Sauce. So if you're looking to really get into a chat where you can have people run bots for you and get releases for you, then be sure you guys check out Secret Sauce down below and send them a message on Twitter and be like, yo, Tristan sent me, I'm trying to get into the group, you know, make some money reselling, you know, with all the ways you've got, or, you know, I'm just trying to get in, get releases, and that's all you guys got to do right there. Just message them on Twitter, not Instagram, anywhere else, but you can follow them there if you want, any other thing like that. So aside from that, let's finally get into some of the raffle places and the foot sites where these Jordan 5 Raging Bulls are going to be dropping. So as you can see, there's not too many raffles going on for this shoe, and the reason for that is because A, I'm making this video a little bit late, so I think some of the raffles for this shoe have already ended, but B also is because I think a lot of those places that are normally raffling off the shoe are actually dropping it. So you want to check those foot site apps, maybe, you know, go check like your Finish Line app, you know, JD Sports, all those normal apps, Foot Locker, see if there's any reservations going on for these you know, pairs of Jordans, since I'm pretty sure if you go look at the places that are actually dropping this on foot sites and like the places that are going to be dropping pairs online, I'm pretty sure, yeah, Finish Line, JD Sports, Dick's, Foot Locker. So go check all those apps, Foot Locker, JD Sport, Finish Line, and see if they have reservations going on for this shoe right now that you could maybe go pick up in store and cop releases that way. I know those usually happen a couple days before the drop, so see if that's happening. I can't confirm if it is, but that might be something going on. So if anybody in the comments wants to say, yo, they got reservations going on Foot Locker or something, then I'd appreciate that. But I may just pin a comment because I'll probably just go double check after the video. But yeah, that's really all the foot places right there. Don't forget, I'm gonna link this article and this article down below so you can go enter in some of the raffles. There will be more that appear, I believe, so there might be, you know, some places, so just check this article down below. Secret Sauce will be mentioned in some of those other raffle places that I can't find also, and also other than me repeating also like it's 7 times in one set. And you know, I'm gonna be entering in those Secret Sauce tickets because I'm trying to get some pairs of these, and they will definitely be having some going on for this release. So that's all I gotta say, and that's you can cop the Toro Bravo 5s or the Raging Bull Retros for retail. So that's all I really gotta say right there. I'm gonna end the screen recording, and don't forget, grade school pairs are just as good as adult pairs to get for this release because both are flipping really well. And yeah, don't forget, you can get enter in both at the same time. So let's roll the outro. Anyways, hope you all did enjoy this video. Again, if you all do want more content just like this video right here, don't forget, I'll be bringing these videos pretty often. You see, you know, your boy's been on the upload streak, and I don't think I'm planning on stopping. You know, hopefully the day isn't busy too tomorrow. I think I do have a busy day, but I think I'm still gonna try and get the video out because yeah, I got plenty of ideas right now. So, you know, again, drop any videos you want to see down below. I don't know if I already said in the outro, this is my short-term memory kicking in hard right here, but subscribe and like again, more content like this. Go on this video. I'm just gonna make, let's say, I think I said like 215 likes. I either said 210 or 215 at the start of the video. So if we could hit that, I'd appreciate it. But if we don't, it's not really the end of the world. And if you also want to check my Instagrams, Discord chat, any of that down below, then, you know, feel free. That's all linked down below in the description for you guys to check out if, you know, you have time and you want to. So that's really all I got to say. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to kind of help you out. So I'll catch you on the next one, hopefully. Peace.
Sticks made a fucking hit.